Okay, I'm going to be doing the homework for fractions and graphs, and here's my one of my graphs. I'm going to start with the first problem, which says graph y equals 2x. Let me get my paper. I'll get this one. Okay, so y equals 2x minus negative 1. Let's see. So y equals 2x minus 1. So first off, we're going to start by basically solving for y. So we're going to do x equals, we're going to swap the x and the y and the x. So I'm going to do x equals 2y minus 1. And then I'm going to add 1 to both sides. And then I'm going to do this. X plus 1 equals to 2y. So I'm going to get rid of the 2y by dividing that. And then it's going to be x plus 1 over 2. And then I have to write it as f minus 1x equals to 1 x plus 1 over 2. And that's how you would solve for that. It'd be this one. That's supposed to be an x, sorry. And then I'm going to graph it. So to graph that, I'm going to do, it starts at negative 1. So I'm going to go right here. And then I'm going to put 2 over 1. So we're going to go up to 2 and then over 1. So I'm going to go up 2 and then over 1. And then I'm going to go up 2 and then over 1. And then I'm going to go and graph that. And that's for problem number 1. And then problem number 2, let me see if I can get another graph paper. Here we go. Okay, so I need a graph paper and I need a piece of paper. Sorry, I should have been more prepared for this. I have a bunch of scratch paper everywhere. This will do. Okay, for each given pair of points, which is negative 3 and a positive 2, that's x, y. And then the next coordinates is negative 1, negative 1. So here's x, y, here's 1, 1, 2, 2. And then it says, find the slope of the line containing them. So we're going to go m equals, should be y2 minus y1. And then it's x2 minus x1. So we're going to plug those little bad boys in. So that's negative 1 minus 2, and then let's do it this way. Negative 1 minus 2, and then the next coordinates is negative 1 minus negative 3, which will equal negative 3 over 2. So this is going to be our slope, negative 3 over 2. And then it says to the y-intercept of the line, the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, and then graph the line. Okay, so we're going to basically do y equals mx plus b. And we know m now is negative 3 over 2. And we're going to take the coordinates negative 3 and positive. So we'll plug those in here. So y is going to be 2, and then it's going to be 2 equals negative 3 over 2 x plus b. And our x is actually negative 3. So it should look something like this after we plug in the coordinates from this. And then it's going to, we're going to start plugging everything in. So negative 3. It's over here and then over here. So it should be 5, 2. That's a negative. Negative 3 over 2. Okay. So it's going to be y equals negative 3 to x. That, oops, this is the answer I got. So y equals negative 3 to x, 3 2x, and minus 5, I mean negative 5 2. That's what I got, and then I can graph those as well. Sorry if you hear people showering, that's my son. So the first coordinate is negative 3. So x is negative 3 up 2. And negative 3, 2. And then negative 1. And negative 1 should go right here. And then I'm going to draw a little line through it. Right there. And then I'm going to do the other. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. And then up 2, 2. Yeah. And then negative 5, 2, 3, 4. And down 2. Oh no, those aren't the coordinates, those are the, oh. Okay. Yeah. So it's negative 3 over 2, and then negative 1 over negative 1. So I graphed those two coordinates together.